Hello everyone, Bertina Amy here, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I thought I'd show you 3 wood crate DIYs that you could do very affordably, especially if you insist on getting these crates on sale like I did. So this is a large wooden crate that I picked up from Joann Fabrics for less than $10. For this project, I selected 2 different shades of acrylic paint by Apple Barrel. I'll be watering them down using this repurposed water cup from Starbucks. For this first project, I'm doing a DIY bookshelf, and I wanted my colors to be very faded, but also altering colors between a red cherry color type wood and just a regular sort of dark or normal shade of brown wood. So to create those colors, I'm going with Red Barn and Burnt Umber. How faded or how strong these colors end up being is entirely up to you. It's kind of a trial and error, so I knew I wanted it a bit stronger, so I ended up adding more paint to the mix. I should also add that you really should go ahead and sand this piece down before adding the paint stains, but I am actually skipping that part, at least in video, so that I could just show you my plan to the process, if that makes sense. Once you're happy with the overall tone of the stain that you created, go ahead and apply it in all the areas that you wish to be seen, if you will, and I chose to just do the outside parts and the front part that will be facing outwards towards any viewers, and I left the inside the natural wood that it is. A heads up about this project though, this DIY stain will soak through into your wood and will cause a scent of wet wood, but that is only temporary. And anyways, go ahead and get whatever coverage you need out of your DIY stains. If you're doing that, feel free to use real stain if you have a good way for ventilating your area, but this is the way I went about it, just to make it so that I can do it indoors. So for this first project, being the DIY bookshelf, I picked up a pack of those small wooden blocks over at the Dollar Tree, and I took the pieces and I took out some DVDs in my case, but you can definitely do this for a bookshelf where you actually store books in it. And I decided to use my DVDs as my measurement, and I wanted it to be high enough to where it's not gonna crush the covers or not make it sit, and make sure there's enough even space between the top and the bottom so that there's 2 shelves instead of 1 when the pieces are standing vertically. I cut down this wood hanging decor piece from the Dollar Tree down to size to fit over top the mini wooden blocks. Of course, use a saw if you have one, and glued however many I needed in an arrangement to create this bookshelf, with a set glued horizontally at the bottom for board games, and 2 separate sets of 3 vertical pieces glued amongst themselves. For the storage above my dresser, I repeated the same process, except I didn't create shelves, and I glued 3 side by side laying horizontally. I lined the dresser with a grip liner. Then I repeated the same steps for my craft space and created storage above my cube storage space. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.